This is otlearn.com by O Technologies. In this video, you will learn about plugins. You know, plugins are the extended functionalities of your website. It gives you more functions. Okay, so let's go into our dashboard to install our first plugin. This is our dashboard. You will click on Add New. You click on Add New in the plugin area. You click on Add New. So we have the featured plugins here. We have popular. We have favorites. Okay, but the things you need to know in plugins. Okay, you need to know the version of the plugin. You know the compatibility, and maybe the author and the details about it. So let's take a look about details about this very plugin here. So here is the author. He said his name is Automatic, and here is a brief description, but let's click on the details. Click on more details, so to read about the author. You wait while it loads. So here's the description. You can see the description of the plugin. Here's the version, and here's the author. Last updated, he said 2 weeks ago. Required WordPress version is the compatibility, and it said download, and here's the rating, and here are the contributors, you know, to the rating. So here is a button to install, and installation. Let's click on it to see. It talks some details about the installation, and here's the screenshot. So the screenshot of the plugin. Here's the changelog, you know, the flag and review. So these are the reviews which people have viewed about the plugin, you know, review by audience about the plugin. Okay, so let's cancel that. So we have here, we have popular, you know, popular plugins. You just click on it. Popular plugins. You see these are popular plugins. We have lots of plugins, and we have favorites. Click on favorites. We have, so just go back, the favorite here, you type the name, and here upload plugin. If you have it already on your desktop, your computer, you can just click here to browse, and you click on the file and open it. Then you click on install now. It will upload, but I don't have any on the system for now because we are to search for a plugin here. So I want to search for a plugin. So this is the search box. It says search plugins. So Google XML. Then you press enter to search. So here is the Google XML. Here's the rating. You see compatibility, last updated 5 minutes ago, and the author. So I'll click on install, or you download. Okay, but I'll click on install now. You install. You wait. So it has installed. Okay, we have installed it now. So let's return to the installer plugin. This is otlearn.com by O Technologies. You now know how to install plugins in WordPress. otlearn.com by O Technologies.